We light them up. Bam! Ah! Happy New Year!
Get
Happy
close enough
New
where I
Year.
can take you a picture of this.
Woo! Oh, here we go! Here we go!
Behind your ear.
We're supposed to. Oh, you're supposed to bring a hat.
Oh hell, that would be. Ow, too hydrogen. I thought. Oh, I saw people doing that. Trying to mess with people. Yeah.
They just keep coming.
Woo! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Oh my God! It's gonna be a good night, 'cause tonight's gonna be a good night. Do it again. How do you dance with it?
You know what you know what we need to do is get a helium balloon and tie them up.
We already got enough UFOs going around the United States right now.
We can invent one more.
Okay.
My favorite part of Cartagena, though.
Oh boy.
And then Michael and Becky and I went back another day.